Assalamu alaikum everyone, wishing you a very happy Eid Mubarak. May this Eid bring joy, happiness and wealth in everyone's life, and be safe and try to be at home this Eid, as you all know that how coronavirus is affecting everyone. So you people have to stay home and you have to stay safe. So in our today's cooking session, we are going to make a dish related to the occasion of Eid. So today we are going to share the recipe of Lahori Charga. Let's go and see the ingredients. So here are the ingredients which we are using to make Lahori Charga. Firstly, I have taken K&N's 1.5 kg chicken. This is the whole chicken. Then over here I am having the vinegar, half cup, ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons, 2 fresh lemon juice, 5 to 6 green chili paste. Then over here I have taken coriander and cumin seed and I have crushed it. And over here I am having 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of crushed red chili flakes, and then I am having over here whole spice powder, 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, and then I have added red food color in this. As I am mixing it, you can see these are the spices. And then I have taken 1 cup of yogurt. Over here I am having a separate bowl in which I have added water. The water quantity should be that much that the chicken can be dipped in it. Okay, now I am going to give chicken a very deep cut like this. As you can see, the benefit of giving this cut is that the chicken will be tender from inside nicely, and the spices which we are going to add will go inside the chicken and it will give a very good flavor to the chicken. Now see over here on the leg piece I am having the cuts like this, and now on this side as well. That's it. These are the cuts which we are going to give to the chicken. Okay, so now I have taken the water, and over here I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and then I am taking the vinegar and I am adding 5 tablespoons of vinegar in this. Okay, now I am giving it a very good mix like this, and then after that what I am going to do, I am taking the complete chicken and I will dip into this water like this. Then I will turn it like this and then like this. Now I will leave the chicken in this water for half an hour. Okay, now as our chicken is on rest for 30 minutes, till then we are making the marination for the chicken. Okay, I am taking 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste in this 1 cup of yogurt. I am adding the lemon juice in it. Then I am adding the green chili paste, and then okay, now I am adding all spice in which red chili powder is there, turmeric powder is there, allspice powder is there, and red food color is there, salt is there, and over here this is cumin and coriander crushed. And now with the help of the whisk I am going to give it a very good mix so that the all spice will mix nicely with the yogurt like this. Like this. As you can see that the thickness of the marination is very good, which we are going to apply it on the chicken. Okay, now I am going to pour the marination on the chicken like this. On every side of the chicken I am going to pour it like this. Okay, and now with the help of the brush I am going to spread it all over the chicken like this. And with the help of the brush I am going to brush it inside the cuts which I have given on the chicken, so that the marination should go deep inside the chicken. See how nicely the chicken is coated with the marination. Okay, now I'm going to flip it. Okay, and over here the remaining one I will be taking and I will be adding on this side. Now with this marination we are going to keep chicken for about 4 to 5 hours. The reason is that so that the marination should go inside the chicken and the flavor should be enhanced when it will be cooked. Okay, now I have taken it out from the fridge after 3 hours, and now I am going to put it on the steel foil like this. I am removing all the excess water and putting it over here like this. Okay, now I am going to cover it like this. Nicely we have to cover it completely like this. Like this. Okay, as you can see that I have taken the pot and I have added 1 glass of water, and now I am putting the chicken over here like this, and I am covering it, and I will cook it for about 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, now as you all can see that the chicken is done. As you all can see, the steam is coming out. So now I'm going to show the look of the chicken, how it will be after the steam. And you have to be very careful as it is quite hot. So you can see how the chicken is. Now we will be taking it out and we will deep fry it, and the remaining water we will discard it. Okay, so this is the final look of the chicken when we have discarded the water from it, and now I'm going to put it in the pan of the oil which I have preheated. So this is the oil which I have taken. Now I'm going to put the chicken slowly inside, and now on medium low flame I'm going to cook each side of the chicken for 5 minutes. Okay, so now after 5 minutes I have flipped the chicken, and as you can see that one side of the chicken is cooked very nicely. Now we are waiting for the other side to be cooked. Okay, now you can see as the chicken is completely ready. Now we are going to dish it out. So here you can see that the chicken is completely ready and it's served. So do try it and do serve it to your guest on Eid occasion, and take care of yourself. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.